I feel like my website is my home base. My potential clients need to see quickly what I can do for them. Was mir sehr wichtig ist an meiner Webseite ist, dass sie sehr klar ist, sehr aufgeräumt, ohne viel Schnickschnack und dass meine Illustrationen, also die Bilder meiner Arbeit, der Hauptfokus sind. I'm Marion Somlyay and I'm an illustrator. I visualize stories and ideas for my clients in the fields of branding, editorial and packaging design. I'm not so much drawn to editorial or packaging or branding. I would say I'm more drawn to themes. I'm definitely at home drawing nature, like animals. When I got married in 2024, I changed my surname and I also had a portfolio shooting done. I had all these fresh new images, I had a new name, a new logo. I decided it was time to build a new website from scratch and I looked into format. I loved how easy it was to use and the templates look really nice. I experimented with the test website and I stuck with it because it worked great. Even though my client base is largely German speaking, I always felt that my website needed to be in English. Having it in German only würde sich anfühlen, als wäre es einfach limitierend. I was afraid that setting up a multilingual website would take a lot of my time and technical hurdles that I didn't know how to overcome. But the actual process of the integration was the exact opposite, because the actual setup of translating my website from setting up a Weglot account to closing the laptop took only 30 to 45 minutes. Was mich sehr positiv überrascht hat, war, dass eigentlich alles fast wie von selbst funktioniert hat bei der Übersetzung. No longer having to decide between a local and international presence feels very professional and very intentional. It feels like a feature that makes my website more well-rounded.